In the world of healthcare, there are some interesting approaches you might not be familiar with. These unusual ways of staying healthy are not well known because they're a bit different from what we're used to.
These practices, commonly known as complementary and alternative therapies or holistic treatments, aren't typically part of mainstream healthcare, and you won't find them in regular healthcare services. They look at the whole person, body, mind, spirit, and emotions to achieve optimal health by finding the right life balance.
Practitioners believe that imbalances in any aspect of a person's life can impact their overall well-being.
They claim that these therapies aim to restore harmony in all these areas and have a range of benefits for different parts of the body.
Hi, welcome to Mind Journey. In this journey, we will explore some uncommon complementary and alternative practices and therapies that have healing properties. Let's begin. Salt therapy or halotherapy. It involves breathing in air with tiny salt particles to improve your breathing.
It originated from Eastern European countries and has two types, dry and wet. It is often done in spa-like salt rooms or salt caves.
Halotherapy is considered an alternative treatment for lung problems such as asthma, bronchitis, and cough by clearing up mucus from your airways.
It can also help you relax and may help with skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and allergies. Cupping therapy. It involves placing cups on the skin and creating a vacuum to suction the skin upward. It originated in ancient Chinese, Egyptian, and Middle Eastern cultures with some different methods of dry, wet, and fire cupping.
It's believed to relax muscles by giving a type of deep tissue massage, stimulate blood flow, and reduce pain, especially for back and neck pain or inflammation, making it popular among athletes for muscle recovery.
Oil pulling.
It involves swishing oil like coconut or sesame oil around the mouth and using it like a mouthwash for about 20 minutes.
It is an ancient Ayurvedic practice that originated in ancient Indian folk. Oil pulling may reduce the number of harmful bacteria in the mouth, decrease the risk of some health conditions, and improve oral health. It draws toxins from the blood and whitens the teeth.
Grounding or earthing.
It is a therapeutic technique that involves doing activities that ground or electrically reconnect you to the earth and use its natural electric charges.
This practice involves walking barefoot outdoors or using indoor grounding systems like mats and sheets while sleeping or sitting.
It stabilizes the physiology at the deepest levels, reduces inflammation, pain, and stress, improves blood flow, energy, and sleep, and generates greater well-being.
Reflexology and Acupressure.
These practices involve applying pressure to specific points of the body, which are connected to certain organs and body system.
Reflexology, also known as zone therapy, dates back to ancient Egypt and involves the application of pressure to specific points on the feet, ears, and hands. This is done using thumb, finger, and hand massage techniques without the use of oil or lotion.
Acupressure originates from traditional Chinese medicine.
It involves the application of manual pressure, typically with the fingers, thumbs, or elbows, to specific points on the body known as acupoints. These acupoints are believed to be connected to energy pathways, or meridians, within the body.
These practices stimulate nerve function, increase energy, boost circulation, and eliminate toxins. They help relieve sleep disorders, reduce depression and stress, and relieve pain and headaches. Rebounding. It is a form of aerobic practice performed by jumping on a mini trampoline.
It allows for a mix of fast and slow jumps, as well as rest or aerobic stepping intervals.
Rebounding offers various benefits, including strengthening leg muscles, improving endurance, and enhancing bone strength.
This practice has gained popularity due to its joint-friendly nature, making it gentle on the joints while effectively engaging the cardiovascular system.
Balneotherapy. It is a therapeutic approach that involves the use of natural mineral-rich waters for healing and relaxation.
It typically includes soaking in baths or pools filled with warm mineral waters or applying mud or clay treatments to the body.
Balneotherapy is often used to alleviate various health issues such as musculoskeletal pain, skin conditions, and stress, while promoting overall well-being.
Forest bathing or Shinrin Yoku. It is a Japanese therapeutic relaxation practice that involves immersing oneself in a forest or natural atmosphere, focusing on sensory engagement to connect with nature. The practice can be as simple as walking in any natural environment and consciously connecting with what's around you. It's believed to reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and boost mood. Spending time in nature is thought to promote mental and emotional well-being. Cryotherapy or cold therapy. It is a technique where the body is exposed to extremely cold temperatures for several minutes. It can be delivered to just one area, or you can opt for whole-body cryotherapy.
Localized cryotherapy can be administered in a number of ways, including through ice packs, ice massage, coolant sprays, ice baths, and even through probes administered into tissue. Cold therapy has benefits like pain relief, reduced inflammation, improved recovery, boosted metabolism and immunity, enhanced mood, improved skin conditions, better sleep, migraine relief, and increased energy. Our health should always be the top priority. These therapies do have their practitioners who share positive experiences, and they can be intriguing and potentially beneficial, but they are not all scientifically approved. If you are thinking about using any method instead of standard evidence-based medical treatment, it is important to talk to your healthcare team first.
It is essential to approach them with a critical and informed perspective. Remember, the natural healing force within each of us is the greatest force in getting well. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated. And if you want to support us further, please share the video with your friends. It would help us a lot to grow this channel. Bye.